I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the Styletone box, which I pretty much already opened because I got this little label right here from the post office saying that in the process of delivery, they've already opened my box. So I hope everything is in here. I got the little booklet right here, and this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so I know I'm wearing like my jacket because I'm about to go out. I don't have a lot of time to film this. So I'm kind of in a rush, but as I'm saying this, just a reminder, I always take a summer break from filming, so there won't be any like films or YouTube videos during the month of September. Nearing the end of September, somewhere around that period, there will be another film, video, whatever. But until then, this is going to be my last one. So sorry, but I have to take a summer break. So there's that. Okay, so let's move on because my sister's literally waiting downstairs. I need to rush this. This box feels very heavy and it looks very full. And I see something that is amazing already, I can tell you. This is from Bella Pierre. This is the blushing palette. And if you guys remember, like in my, wow, this jacket is tight. Like I can't move, shoot. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm kind of reflecting, y'all. Hold on, let me try and get it out. If y'all remembered, like in the Look Fantastic box, we received a Bella Pierre highlighting palette, and now we received a blush palette. So this is freaking amazing. Honestly, I'm kind of waiting for the goodie box. Maybe we get an eyeshadow palette. I don't know, but I do see that Bella Pierre is, you know, nailing it with the palettes, especially in these boxes. So let's see if I can flip this. Yes, I can. I don't want to break the cardboard, but this is what that palette looks like, and I can already tell that these lights are reflecting. Yeah, I think this is a bit better, but you have your pink ones right here, and then two, this is a coral one, and these are, wow, what was that? I don't know. But this is a brown one right here. You got your pink ones, a little bit like cherry reds, but kind of pink. It's kind of pink. No, never mind. But this is a coral one. It's a beautiful, like, different kind of a palette. Every single pretty much blush color there is in here. I'm very happy with this, and I'm definitely going to use this. And this is great. This is wonderful for travel purposes. So I'm like ecstatic that this is in here. Let's see how much it costs. It's not here, it's not here, it's over here. So the Bella Pierre blush palette costs 30 euros. I actually see something in here which says the September box will be delivered on the 11th of September. So like I said, this box, you guys probably won't be able to see this till the end of September. So sorry for being late with that, but it's just the way it is. So let's move on to something from Figs and Rouge. This is the Hydra Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream. And we actually already received this, and actually also in the Styletone box. So I'm not really sure why this is in here. We've actually received multiple of these. So I'm not even going to get this out of the package. The last ones I didn't use either. So I'm not going to use this one. This you'll definitely see in a giveaway, and I'm kind of done with Figs and Rouge. So let's see how much it costs in the booklet. And I'm just now seeing that my shirt is full of glitter. Figs and Rouge, the Hydra Matte Pore Correcting Velvet Cream. And it's a matte, by the way. I have dry skin. That does not work well in dry skin. So this fella is 35 euros. It's ridiculously high, this price, and you guys will be seeing this along in a giveaway. Okay, so moving on to Dirty Little Secret. That sounds very dirty. This is what that little fella looks like. I'm not really sure what this is. It looks kind of to be like a balm, or like it's bare. It says over here that, see that? It's the color Bare, and it is Dirty Little Secret lip gloss. Okay, sounds promising. Come on, let's open it. Oh, dude, this is amazing. Okay, this is definitely better. See that? This is what that fella looks like. And now let's give it a swatch, because I'm not really sure if this is like an actual gloss. Smells really good. Or if this is like a matte, like quick dry. You know what I mean? Y'all know I hate matte, so I don't want matte, but the color is freaking gorgeous. Like, this is amazing. Okay, let's grab the booklet right here. It's open at the page. Dirty Little Secret Lip Gloss costs 14 euros. And I'm looking at it. It has a shine formula, blah, blah, blah. Oh, yes. Okay, this is not a dry down. This is amazing. It does have like a teeny, like microscopic little glitters or specks of glitter in here. And they're like this coral tone color. It's very, very beautiful. I'm so freaking happy. And can I say kudos to the Styletone box for not giving us a freaking brown color, but a beautiful pink corally tone for summer. This is perfect. This is literally what I want to see in these boxes. Okay, so moving on is this fella, and this is from Daily Concepts, and I feel like we already received 1,000,001 of these, but we received, well, used to receive, let me put it that way, the charcoal soap things, and this is the multifunctional soap sponge mother of pearl. So this is something different. It's mild and it's for your simply wet skin and soap sponge with warm water. Cleanse skin in a circular motion to lather and exfoliate. Use on body or face depending on your comfort level. Okay, so you could actually use this on your face as well. I have not the other one we couldn't use on your face, so that one was definitely for your body. So that's something new. This is what that little sucker looks like. Smells so freaking good. You know, those really soft yet strong, like the sensitive items that you can buy at the drugstore usually smell amazing, have pretty strong scent, but like a soft scent at the same time. Does that even make any sense? I don't know, but it smells so freaking good. Okay, I'm definitely going to use this. So let's check in the little booklet how much it costs. It's from Daily Concepts. Like I said, the multifunctional, well, basically mother of pearl, that's what it's called, is 6 euros and 95 cents. Okay, so moving on to, oh, hold on. We have the Ultimate Hair Trio, but I have two. Is that right? What is it? I don't know, but I have two of these. I don't know if this was a mistake, me getting two, or if everybody got two. But they're like exactly the same. So I feel like maybe I got two by accident. I don't know. I will have to check the booklet. But it's from Secret, remember? The Ultimate Hair Trio. And it's a mud shampoo, a mud hair mask, and a hair serum. So over here you can see, can you see that? Yeah, there's like 3 of them in here, and this is what that sucker looks like. But I got 2. So for the people who also received these boxes, let me know in the comment section down below, did you guys get 2 or did I just get lucky and then win the jackpot or something? Okay, so let's see in the booklet. Oh, no, okay, never mind. It says in the booklet, I'm stupid, I'm blonde, I should have read first. It says 2 times, so everybody got 2. Okay, it's not a mistake. And it's 2 times $5.95. So basically 2 times $6, $12. So let's keep it at that. This is great for travel purposes because you got like everything in one. You got your shampoo, your mask, and your serum, so you don't have to take all those bottles with you. Unfortunately, this is also just one use. So yeah, pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so I've been yapping for 10 minutes. Time to shut this video off. My sister's just gonna kill me. I like it. I definitely love, I don't like it. That's an understatement. I love this box. The only thing I very, very strongly dislike is the freaking Figs and Rouge because we received 1,000,001 of these already. So that you guys will be seeing in a giveaway. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, I love this box. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys feel about this month's box? And I will see you guys after the summer for a long break. So sorry, not sorry. And I'll see you guys when I'm back. Bye.